cordless drill is probably the most useful power tool any household could have. This Ryobi 1 Plus cordless drill driver is ideal for drilling in wood, metal, or plastic, as well as taking care of all your screw driving needs. The 13mm ratcheting keyless chuck makes it quick and easy to fit a wide selection of accessories and locks them in place so they won't work themselves loose. And with up to 50 Nm of torque, it has plenty of power to drill even large holes quickly. The variable speed trigger and 2-speed gearbox mean you're always in control. When screw driving, you can use the 24 torque settings to regulate the power of the drill, allowing you to set the screws exactly where you want them. And whenever the trigger is pulled, a handy LED lights up your work area. When combined with our 2.5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, you can drive up to 745 4x32mm screws per charge. If you're new to the 1 Plus system, you can pick this drill up as a starter kit with batteries and a charger. Otherwise, this drill is also sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your 1 Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the 1 Plus system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this super versatile 18-volt drill will work with any 1 Plus battery.